What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on CFX and Conflux, whatever you want to call it. But just wanted to make an update on that. Haven't covered it yesterday, but today we're back again. Yesterday was a pretty bearish day for CFX. So we're going to be talking about that, whether we can still get back up to our main resistance around 42-43 cents. And just in general, what to expect in the upcoming few days and the beginning of next week. So that's what we'll do. We'll mainly focus on the technicals, but before we do that, if you want to receive daily trading signals on, for example, Conflux, like the buy order right here, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But all right, now onto Conflux. So it's been weekend. Yesterday, there was not a lot of momentum in the markets, so. For Conflux, that meant that basically all of the bullish momentum kind of flowed out of the market. You can see that the volume at this point of time is around even lower than the levels we were at when we were down here. So that doesn't really mean that much, to be honest, but still there's just not a lot of movement. What has happened though since yesterday, which is pretty bad, it's not ideal, is that we had a bearish breakout through this level right here. You can see this level around 40 cents. Well, technically it ranges all the way down to like 39 cents. You got that level. We should actually drag it up like this. So between 40 cents and 39 cents. And we actually gave that up, which is a bearish confirmation. Now, for example, what you can see is that we are below the 28 EMA. We're still holding on to the 50 EMA. We're finding some support there. But barely anything. I mean, we're not really going up from here, right? So what I expect is that, like purely technically, I would say that the most likely scenario is that we will drop down to this 36-37 cents level, which is very strong. I mean, right now you also have the 100 EMA there. It still houses a number of strong Fibonacci levels. So for example, if you drag this all the way up here, you can also see that the 618 Fib is in the middle there, around 36 cents. So at this point of time, the most likely scenario seems that we will drop back down from there, find support, and then we will see whether we can actually start some sort of an uptrend again from this level. Or if we barely get any support there, we will drop back down to our previous support levels from last week, around 33 cents. That can actually happen. It's fairly realistic. I'm not saying it's the most likely scenario right now. I'm just saying it's the most likely scenario given the technicals, that we will drop down to 36 and 37 cents. Now, that support altogether is just very strong. All right, so this level is not easily going to break through, but it's also definitely not guaranteed that from here we will start some sort of an uptrend. Now, there is one more thing we need to talk about, I think, and that is about today. Usually Sunday is a pretty volatile day. That's also what we, well, last week it wasn't so volatile. Last week the bullish momentum really started on Tuesday. But altogether the Sunday usually provides some movement in the markets. So that means that today we also have a chance, I think, to instantly break above 40 cents again. All right, I don't think that's the most likely scenario, but it's a possibility. If we can do that, that's very bullish, and we will instantly get back up to 42, 43 cents. Whether we can actually break that, though, I don't think so. I think the only way in which we could break 43 and 44 cents right now is if Bitcoin really rallies up to like 30K, which is a possibility, but it's not something I'm going to throw out there that it's the most likely scenario. So, as I said, just today we have a slight chance of still being bullish by breaking above 40 cents immediately, but I think it's more likely that we will drop down to this 36-37 cents level, find support there, and then from there check if we can get another uptrend to break above it later on. But that's my take on Conflux for today. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching, and bye.